selamat pagi, apa kabar semuanya? Hari ini adalah hari ketiga saya berada di Hanoi, Vietnam. Acara kita hari ini adalah tur ke Halong Bay. Ya, Halong Bay. Saya juga belum pernah ke sana, ini pertama kali ya. Jadi Halong Bay itu berada di timur laut Vietnam yang terkenal dengan perairan jamrut dan ribuan pulau batu kapur yang menjulang tinggi, dan di atasnya terdapat hutan hujan. Katanya ini ya, saya belum sana. Sekarang kita mau ke sana. Tur perahu dan ekspedisi kayak yang membawa pengunjung melewati pulau-pulau. Wow, kelihatannya ini bagus banget nih turnya. Yang diberi nama berdasarkan bentuknya termasuk Pulau Stundok dan Tipot. Wilayah ini populer untuk scuba, panjat tebing dan hiking, khususnya di Taman Nasional Chat Bat yang bergulung-gulung. Nah, itu sekilas tentang Halong Bay ya. Semoga apa yang dituliskan di sini dan apa yang diterjemahkan dalam bahasa ini sesuai dengan yang akan kita kunjungi nanti. Oke, saksikan selanjutnya. Kita mau menuju Halong Bay. Oke, perjalanan kita dari Hanoi menuju Halong Bay kurang lebih ditempuh dengan jarak 2,5 jam ya. Kita sekarang sudah berada di atas bus bersama tamu-tamu yang lain, mungkin yang booking bersama-sama kayak kita, dan kita akan berangkat bersama-sama sekarang ke Halong Bay. Archie juga ikut nih. Archie juga mau ke Halong Bay ya. Aduh, cakepnya. Archie juga mau ke Halong Bay. Mau kemana? Aduh, cakepnya. Jalan-jalan. Sama siapa?
Sama Uma Bonus.
Sama siapa lagi?
Nenek juga, aku sama Gemma.
Hore. Bentar ya.
Itu ada parkir.
Di dalam bus ini ada tour guide-nya ya guys. Jadi tour guide ini nanti yang akan menjelaskan perjalanan dan aktivitas kita selama ada di Halong Bay. Apa saja yang bisa kita nikmati di sana selama tur Halong Bay.
Hello. Have you had breakfast, everyone? Have you done for the toilet? So at the opera house, we have the toilet, the public toilet. Who wanna to go to the toilet, you can do it there. Because after 1 hour and 20 minutes, we just have one short break. Yeah, so who want to go to the toilet, we have around 5 to 7 minutes for everybody to the toilet in there. Okay? Just make sure in 1 hour and 20 minutes, nobody want to stop at the highway. You know, on the highway, we cannot stop. Yeah, just make sure and give you some advice. And me as well, I also need to go to the toilet. Thank you so much. Well, so pick up some group from there. So we have 3 minutes to do the toilet.
Tapi jauh kemarin. Iya, ini kemarin lewat kok itu Prada itu. Kita lewat sini kemarin.
So the passenger just get on the bus. Can I check for your group name? Ahmad, Matik, Malik. 3 people. Okay.
Tour guide-nya lagi absen, tamu-tamu yang ikut dalam tur Halong Bay hari ini.
Chan Lien Huat.
Oh, bisnya Mbak.
Former. Thank you, madam. And when you finish, could you help me pass on? Thank you very much for waiting for me. First of all, I would say thank you very much for coming to Vietnam and choosing our company's first service for your vacation in this time. It's a great honor to serve everyone at the Middle Class. Yeah. And next, I would introduce for our team service today. We have only 2 members. First one is me. My name is Ming.
Hai Ming.
Can you repeat again?
Hai Ming.
How do you spell that? It means M-I-N.
G.
Yeah, everybody usually guess my name, my last letter is G, but it's correct. It is incorrect. It's correct is H.
Oh.
M-I-N-H. That's my Vietnamese name.
Oke.
But easier to call me and remember me. Johnny is my English name. Johnny.
Hai Johnny.
But if you can, I prefer everyone call me Johnny Handsome. Yes, I'm Johnny Handsome. Only call me Johnny Handsome, please. And today, I'm very happy to become your tour guide. How the trip to visit Ha Long Bay. But nobody go to Ninh Bình, right?
No.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. And next to me, our driver. His name is Mr. Tang.
Mr. Tang.
T-H-A-N-H, Mr. Tang. But easier to call him, you can call me Mr. David. David. Not like the David Beckham, just David only. Yeah. And for now, our team service belong for all of you. Our time, our body, our shower.
Oh.
You can do whatever you like. Yeah. And if you have any requirements, please let me know. Don't tell me at the end of the trip. I don't have time to check it. Alright? And before I read, I summarize the information about the itinerary today. I just wanted to make clear what it include and not include lecture voucher. Yeah, could you pay attention for my talk? Yeah. If any information goes wrong, please stop me immediately. Thank you so much. But I need some water. Perfect. Now I feel fresh up. Yeah, so for the included service first, we already included the transfer fee by the bus. Yeah. The plastic bottle water providing for each one, I will provide later. Yeah, let me for a while. Yes. And the lunch on the cruise already included the voucher. Yeah. But after the itinerary, I will check for your demand. Your demand in food, your special diet like the energy or vegetarian. To make sure we can prepare according your demands. Yeah. And what is not include? We have the main service that is on the drink. On the drink that you order on the cruise is the exchange service. So you have to pay for what kind of drink that you order. On the Ha Long Bay nowadays, we don't use the plastic bottled water. Yeah. So everything we use by can. I can. Even the canned water. Only by can. Hope you understand for us. Because we still try to protect the environment. Keep the bay beautiful. Yeah. And yeah, for the trip from Hanoi City, go to Ha Long Bay, Ha Long City. It takes around 2.5 hours. But after 1 hour and 20 minutes, we have one short break. Yeah, we have one short break at Ha Long City. Around 30 minutes for everybody go to the happy room. And also discovering about the traditional job for the fishermen on the Ha Long Bay. Yeah, we are visiting one of the biggest pearl farm, where you can see the process of the pearl. I mean the real pearl. Yeah, and with the local tour guide will explain some information, give you some information about the pearl farm. Yeah, but if you want, you can go to the happy room as well. Do you know what is a happy room?
Toilet.
Yeah, the place where you can answer the calling of nature. Yeah, exactly. Because why we don't stop at on the gas station? Because on the gas station the facility about the toilet is not really good. Yeah, it's not good and bad smell. That's why just take you come to the good place. Yeah. And around 12 we're boarding on the cruise. So when we're boarding on the cruise, do you know what should we do first? Like the life jacket or jump to the water?
Swimming.
Swimming. So I think at the noon time, everybody are hungry. You are hungry. So when we get on the cruise, we will have lunch first. We will have lunch first. After the lunch, when your belly full energy. So we start visit Ha Long Bay, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Yeah, we have 3 activities on the Ha Long Bay. The first destination, we are visiting Luan Cave. Luan Cave. Can you repeat, please?
Okay.
Yeah, Luan Cave. At the Luan Cave, we cannot walking. We cannot walking. We will experience some water sport. Yeah, water sport. The first option is the kayaking. Kayaking, you have rowing by yourself to discover the cave. And the second option, another option is a bamboo boat. Bamboo boat where the fishermen were rowing the bamboo, but you pass into small tunnel. Both for the kayak or bamboo, we pass into small tunnel. Yeah, and you will see the stark tides coming down, liquid with the water, and see the big lake. Look up on the mountain. It's romantic, peaceful. Yeah, but just make sure for the kayaking, if you done the kayak before, you can do the kayak. But if you are the first time, be careful. Easy flip to water. So you don't know how to control the paddle. You just move, turn around, and easy crash without the professional kayak. Also, flip to the water easily. Yeah. Yeah. Just make sure if you want to try it. Yeah. And for the bamboo, it's so easy. Just sitting on the bamboo and grab the fisherman, someone else will rowing the bamboo for relaxing. Yeah, go slowly for relaxing. Yeah, I think that's a good option for you.
Perfect for me.
And somebody, you came Hội An. If you came to Hội An, or if you visit in the middle south Vietnam, the bamboo in the middle south or the bamboo in the north is so different. Yeah, the bamboo in the middle south is like the circle, yeah, around circle. Yeah, but the bamboo in the north is like the square. The square. Yeah, because the fishermen they use the bamboo for the walking like the pick up the customer to visit the Halong Bay, but also they using the bamboo for the catfish. Yeah, that's why it's so different. Also pick up the chance to rub it on the water. Yeah, many purpose. Yeah, and on the second activities, second destination, we are visit one of the biggest rock cave on the Halong Bay. If we mention about the rock cave, it means we can walk to get into the cave. Yeah, and Surprising Cave is the biggest rock cave in Halong Bay. On the Halong Bay, we have 72 rock caves, but Halong Bay is the biggest one. It lasts around 10,000 square meters. Divided three chamber. With the first chamber, like the first room, it's pretty small, only 60 square meter. On the second chamber, it will be bigger, around 200 square meter. Yeah, and the biggest belong for the last one. And Surprising Cave is a one-way cave. It means the way we get inside is one way, but the way we go out by another way. Yeah, different one. So if you want to go, it means you must finish around 2 kilometers inside the cave. Yeah. Otherwise, if you come back to the entrance, maybe tomorrow I will pick up you back later. Yes. And somebody focus the time on the first chamber or the second chamber. I don't recommend. I will highly recommend. If you want to take a photo, spend most of the time, focus the time on the last chamber. The last chamber. Yeah. With the beautiful the rock, the beautiful the stark time, stark mind. Yeah. That's the second one. And the last activities is Ti Top Island, Ti Top Beach, where you can go hiking or swimming. So do you go to the Ninh? Everybody, have you gone to Ninh?
No.
Not yet?
Not
Yeah,
yet.
maybe a surprise at the Ti Top Island. For the hiking, you climb up to the top, you see how the view Halong Bay in your eyes. Yeah, but if you don't want it, you're so lazy or you're tired, you can walking around the beach or swimming. Yeah, it's up to you. Free time on the Ti Top Island. And after 3 activities finished, we go straight back to the cruise and we have the sunset party, the last moment of the Halong Bay. Around 6:30 p.m. we will arrive at the port and then we go back to Hanoi capital by 9 to 9:30 p.m. That is the regular schedule today for us. Yeah. So if you have any flight ticket or schedule like the sleep pass, go to Hà Giang, please let me know. There lies other groups. Okay. So right now maybe I talk too much, very noisy, and give everyone a lot of information. It's not good for your vacation. It's not good for your vacation. Yeah, just relax and enjoy it. If you forget
Thank
any
you.
information, let me know. I'm very happy to remind 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. That's the problem. But only let me know, please. Thank you so much for paying me attention. And in Vietnam, we say cảm ơn, cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Yeah, cảm ơn. Thank you
Cảm
so
ơn.
much. Yeah, if you want to sleep, you can close the curtain over there. Yeah, close the curtain. Thank you so much.
Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
How to say you welcome?
Yeah.
How to say you are welcome?
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Yeah, xin chào.
Cảm
Xin chào
ơn.
là say hello or welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you are welcome. If
Yeah.
you say cảm ơn, how to say?
Yeah. But if you're traveling with your
Family.
your husband, where's your husband?
My husband at home.
Oh.
Busy.
If he's not here, I will teach him something.
Next time ya.
Okay, next time can I get the
Nah, jadi teman-teman, itu tadi adalah short briefing dari tour guide kita hari ini, yang mana tadi sudah dijelaskan bahwa waktu tempuh dari Hanoi City menuju Halong Bay itu kurang lebih 2,5 jam. Kemudian diinformasikan juga oleh tour guide-nya bahwa kegiatan yang ada di sana adalah salah satunya mengunjungi tempat pembudidayaan mutiara. Dan setelah mengunjungi pembudidayaan mutiara, kegiatan selanjutnya tadi diinformasikan bahwa kita akan makan siang dulu di kapal sebelum melakukan kegiatan-kegiatan lainnya seperti bamboo boat, ada kayaking, ada scuba. Jadi di sana akan banyak kegiatan. Jadi di tempat tujuan pertama nanti kita disuruh milih ya, apakah mau kayaking atau mau bamboo boat atau sampan yang akan mengantar kita keliling di goa atau kegiatan lainnya. Jadi tergantung nanti dari kita mau pilih yang mana untuk kegiatan pertama. Jadi kegiatan ini ada di pulau pertama ya teman-teman. Setelah kita selesai melakukan kegiatan di pulau pertama, maka kita akan kembali diajak berjalan-jalan untuk mengunjungi pulau kedua, di mana tadi disampaikan bahwa yang akan kita kunjungi nanti goa yang sangat luas. Dan tadi diceritakan bahwa goa tersebut lebih terkenal dengan nama Surprise Cave. Dijelaskan pula tadi sama guide-nya ya teman-teman bahwa goa ini atau Surprise Cave ini ada 3 bagian. Jadi bagian pertama itu kecil, kemudian bagian kedua itu agak lebar sekitar 200 square meter persegi, dan bagian ketiga inilah goa yang paling besar. Jadi teman-teman kita akan nanti melihat ya. Jadi perjalanan dari goa pertama, goa kedua, dan goa ketiga. Di 3 ruangan ini jika kita keluar dari goa ini itu jaraknya yang kita tempuh dalam berjalan tadi sepanjang 2 km. Dan ternyata masih ada pulau terakhir teman-teman yang akan dikunjungi, yaitu Pulau Titok. Jadi di sana nanti yang mau mendaki boleh, yang mau hanya stay atau tinggal di pantai untuk swimming boleh juga. Jadi tinggal pilih mau acara yang mana. Kemudian acara berikutnya adalah kembali ke kapal sebelum kita akan berlabuh kembali di pelabuhan. Nah, tadi juga diinformasikan bahwa dalam perjalanan kembali dari pulau yang terakhir kita kunjungi menuju pelabuhan akan diadakan tea party ya teman-teman. Yang mana tea party ini merupakan ucapan terima kasih dari manajemen mereka dan ucapan selamat tinggal atau goodbye kepada semua customer yang sudah mengikuti tur Halong Bay hari ini. Wah, seru nggak teman-teman acara tur hari ini? Penasaran kan? Saya juga penasaran loh. Ayo kita saksikan bersama bagaimana tur Halong Bay kita di Hanoi, Vietnam. Selamat menyaksikan ya teman-teman.
Apa?
kita sudah berada di luar kota Hanoi, di luar city-nya ya. Sekarang perjalanan menuju Halong Bay.
Akhirnya setelah menempuh perjalanan 2,5 jam, kita sekarang sampai di Halong Bay. Nah, teman-teman semua, terima kasih ya sudah menyaksikan video dari saya kali ini. Adapun video saya selanjutnya tentang mengunjungi pembudidayaan mutiara, kemudian berjalan-jalan di goa, kemudian berjalan-jalan di Pulau Titok, itu semuanya akan ada di video saya berikutnya. Jadi teman-teman jangan lupa ya untuk selalu menyaksikan video-video saya berikutnya. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa, bye-bye.